Okay friends, now that we have covered how to add the vowel diacritic R to consonants, let's look at some words. Let me just go over that definition I just said, vowel diacritic. What do I mean by that? Well, we know the long vowel R looks like this, right? But what if we want to add that to a consonant? We just put a vertical line, and that vertical line is called a vowel diacritic, and it's if it's stood by itself, well, it doesn't happen by itself, so you have to add it to a consonant to have it to be a vowel diacritic. And a diacritic basically is a marking that is added to a consonant to change its sound, and in this case to add a long R sound to it. Okay, well, having explained that, let's look at some of these words now. The first one up here is pronounced Saat, Saat, and I'm going to talk about each one of them down here. Sa is the first letter. We want to add the long vowel R to it, and it becomes like that with a vertical line, and the dental aspirated T sound th is like that. And remember, the th sound, the default vowel R is dropped, so together this becomes Saat, Saat. Okay, very good. So now let's look at the next one. Can you guess what that sounds like? Let's go over it. Cha is the first letter. We add the vowel R to it by adding a vowel diacritic. And Ra, Char, Char. Sometimes in Hindi, people from different areas do roll the R a little bit, others don't. You can listen to more authentic speakers and determine for yourself how much of a rolling R you want to do. Char. Okay, this is the word. We go on to next word, Ja, and do you notice something different with this word? We are adding the vowel diacritic R to both consonants in this case. So we got Ja, Ja, we add a R to it, and it becomes Ja. And we have a Na, we add a R to it, and it becomes Na. We put that together, and it becomes Jana, Jana, to go. Okay, I don't know if I told you what Saat means. It means with. Char is, of course, the number 4, and Jana means to go. How about the next one? Well, the next one has no diacritics. Let's see how it would be pronounced. So we got Sa. We keep the default vowel R to it, and then we have Da, the dental Da, and Ra. What do we have together? You drop the default vowel on the Ra because it doesn't have any vowel diacritic to it, added to it, no markings to it. So what we have, Sadar, Sadar, Sadar. Okay. Next word has a vowel diacritic R added to Sa, and it becomes like that, Sa, Ha, and Ba. Drop the default vowel on Ba, has no diacritic to it. So what we have, Sahab, Sahab. Now, we probably covered this, but let me explain it to you. Anytime you have the Ha in between a word, it kind of makes it, the pronunciation changes to a sound on the top. Let me put my cursor on the Ha, and so it kind of sounds like Sahib, Sahib, Sahib. Okay, and it basically means sir in India. Anytime somebody brother, if you are referred to Sahib, then they're just politely saying sir to you.